car turning.
Good morning. Actually, I haven't got a clue. Is it actually morning?
Possibly. No, it's 3 minutes past.
Oh well, we didn't manage to get out in the morning. Good afternoon. Wheelers at large. We're out again. What are we doing this morning, Mr. Wheeler?
We're test riding the road bike.
I got a different bike. I am riding a Merida green bike. It's a road bike. Oh, and the brakes work. Oh, yeah, we've got a big hill going up, and
So you can try it.
Mike's on a single speed. So what's your single speed? What's it at?
2 single for this.
He doesn't know. Do you know?
Yeah.
What is it?
Oh.
He can reply at the top.
Whew. I'm quite happy to have done that.
It's speedy. Whee! It's so light.
Of course, it doesn't have any bags or water bottles on it yet, but it is pretty light actually.
I think our ride yesterday,
Yeah.
we were very lucky. We had no wind.
Yes.
Today,
Very
woo! Mike's single speed, looking neat. With all the sparkly silver bits on it. Woo! Nice echo, that one. Yep, turned into the wind. Woo-wee.
Well, very speedy on the way home.
Oh my god. This is off the sea though, isn't it? Yeah, this is off the sea.
Yeah, that's why it's a bit warmer today.
Ooh.
Yeah, so as well as giving the road bike a quick road test, we thought we might find some breakfast while we're out, if that's possible. I think we're going to call that lunch now. Right, let's go. Yeah. He's trying to get to the back of that traffic light queue as fast as possible.
Yeah, he was. Mike,
Yeah.
I'll race you home.
Yeah, right. You got a few more to go.
Whoa. Thank you. So what speed is this? A 9, 10?
9.
9. There's the lounge on there.
And the bikes are just over there, where you can see them.
Oh, I was too quick.
You were much too quick. But then, you're always eating. Oh, you are kidding me. God's sake, you bloody people. That's how you get people killed.
Were you by any chance recording that?
Yes, I might have got slightly overexcited with my reaction, but it is very annoying.
It is, yeah. Woo-wee! It's windy! My bike is cutting through the wind. I can't see my speed. I can't see what speed I'm going. I haven't tried in the drops yet, really. Ooh. Ooh. They're not flared. Got no flared bars on this. So that feels quite strange. I'm used to flared bars. Actually, that's quite nice. I like that.
Look at the white horses.
Wow. I went to look at the Wahoo again. It just shows, doesn't that, how often you look at your speed? Or I do anyway.
I knew this was a mistake. I just want to get some nice shots of the bike. Julie just wants to get her head down and go.
I left Mike behind.
Hello.
The noise appears to be on the set.
Yes, yeah, it just needs tweaking.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, so I said.
The higher up the set, the more noise it makes.
You mean the harder the gear, don't you?
Yes, I do.
Yeah, okay.
Mike's admiring my bike. Blind me with the science of what's on my bike.
It's a green Merida, that's about as much as I know, really. It's got bits on it. They seem to be working fine at the moment.
I thought you'd tell me what the bits were. Have I got Shimano? Have I got SRAM? These are words that I've heard.
I was going to go for a full Shimano Sora setup, but due to the unique way supply and demand is working in the world at the moment,
As in Suez Canal.
amongst other things, it isn't quite a full Sora, but once the parts become available again it will be. So at the moment you've got a stand-in proxy sort of chain set, and you've got an Olivio rear derailleur, which is still a Shimano 9-speed, but it is actually made by Shimano as a mountain bike derailleur. Once the parts come in, it'll have a Sora chain set and a Sora rear derailleur. Oh dear, oh dear. New bike day. She's still a kid, isn't she? To be honest, we haven't decided what we're going to do with it yet. Julie might grab it, or she's got the chance, but we might also sell it. We'll see. Might get a summer of road riding out of it. We'll see where we are after that. I think as it is at the moment, it's still a little bit of a hodgepodge, even though it runs really nice and it's got all new parts on it. Sora levers, Sora brakes, and it will have obviously the Sora chain set and mech when they become available again.
I keep looking down at that silly Wahoo that's not there. I made the wind whistle through my helmet. It was making ever such a funny noise. If I knew which bit to touch, I could have played a tune. It's usually the other way around, he's waiting for me.
What the hell? Honestly.
Nope. Well, if you've watched this far into this video, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.